Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Monday, June 16th. So what's going on today in the news? We just had our 8:30 news came out, the Empire State Manufacturing Index, and it came in well below expectations. Expectations were minus 5.9, came in at minus 16. However, the market really didn't react too much to this. However, this is one of the things I like to watch because it is sort of simmering in the background. This is the Empire State, which is New York, the New England area manufacturing index, and it's very high cost. So, because it's high cost, it's one of the first canary in the coal mine, so to speak, things to start happening when we start retracing or we start ramping up. Because it's expensive, it's the first manufacturing index to really take a hit whenever the manufacturing starts to turn. So this is not good. This is a kind of a heads up what's going to happen in the future. Well, the other state manufacturing indexes will also start to go down due to the pullback in manufacturing. So this is not a good thing, not good news, but the market kind of is ignoring it as we speak. That being said, so that's it. That's the only news today. Moving on, looking at the chart. I kind of scrunched this up because I wanted to see how far back this consolidation band goes, all the way back into last year. And we are like kind of in the middle of it. So a lot of sideways action would be perfectly acceptable until we can either break to the upside or break back down. As you can see, Friday was a negative day. Today we're gapping up. So lots of stuff going on over the weekend. Israel, Iran, what's the implications? Oil prices going up, gold going up. These are all things that are potentially bad things. So why is the market up? Well, the market climbs the wall of worry. It's an old saying, market climbs the wall of worry. So I can't explain that. Makes no sense to me why this market is sideways. Looks like it should be going down since there is such a large amount of bad news going on. That being said, look at Friday's volume, decent volume, above average. Still, as you can see, kind of anemic, but still better than average. We're just piling sideways here. We're above the moving averages, which is technically bullish. We have technically broken out of this little, it was rollover. To me, it's rollover day. So some of these chart structures are not exact because this is the September contract. This is rollover week. The June contract will expire on Friday. Moving on, looking at the inventory. Inventory was negative. And price action was negative, so that's correlated. Nothing to worry about there. Nothing outstanding to see. Overnight action is, let's see, it's gone up a little bit since I did my calculations. About 76 points. 76 points overnight. That is well above average. Volatility certainly here. What does support and resistance like? When we scrunch this down a little bit, resistance on the top side, definitely there's some spots around the 6100, 98.50, 6107. If we break above that, 6160 is what's jumping out at me. On the support side, of course, 6,000. Look at all those lines there at 6,000. 6,000, below 6,000, we've definitely got a plethora of spots between 50.87 and 50.80, drop down to 59.56, down to 59.50, round number. If we break the lows from Friday, 59.20 and below 5900, so kind of hard to deduce what is going on. Otherwise, just stick to your guns and, be disciplined. That's my only advice for today. Stock Traders Almanac, 66.7. 66.7 today. So I have slight bias to the upside from historics. And do remember that this is rollover week. You're going to want to shift over to the September contract either today, tomorrow, or possibly on Wednesday. I never wait till Thursday. Usually Wednesday is the optimal day because that's when the volume shifts to the new contract. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.